Hi everybody! Today I will prepare my favorite smoothies. If you like peaches, you will definitely like this recipe. I will use peaches, cantaloupe, raspberry and strawberry. So here I have 2 peaches medium size. I already threw away pit or stone, so no pit here, but there is skin. I will use the skin. I have medium size like slice of cantaloupe, and this is 1/4 and 1/3 of cup frozen strawberry and fresh raspberry. And by weight there is 200 gram peaches, 100 gram cantaloupe and 70 gram together berries. So we mix everything together in a blender. I like a lot this smoothie. It's thick, it's sweet. If it's too thick for you, you can add milk, almond milk or just water. I will try it. It's delicious. And now I will prepare another delicious smoothie. So I have here 100 gram fresh strawberries. And here 100 gram frozen peaches and mango. I will add 2/3 of a cup milk. I am using fresh milk. You can use almond milk. So these are ingredients for this smoothie. And now let's try it. It's delicious. My favorite smoothie number 3 is choco banana flavor. So I have here cacao powder, Nesquik mixture, I have banana and half of a cup milk. I am using 2 types of cacao powder only to show you that you can use any of them or another one that you have at home. Simple and delicious. And now the last and also very easy smoothie. 1 banana, half cup of milk, 75 gram fresh strawberry. delicious. So today I prepared 4 delicious smoothies. It's my favorite smoothies. I hope you will like these recipes. Enjoy your meal and bye bye.